1. Equipment display. 2. Tools preparation. 1 set of internal hexagonal wrench. 3. Preparation of crimping mold. Upper mold, inner spring, lower mold core. 4. Upper mold install. Put the spring into the upper mold, then hold the upper mold and align it with the installation position on the top plate, press it firmly. Finally, use 2 screws to fix it on the top of the equipment. Five. Lower mold install. First, assembly the lower mold and lower mold core, then hold the lower mold and align it with pin and screw hole on the platform. Put in 2 screws and fixed it clockwise with the internal hexagonal wrench. Six. Crimping. Take the coin cell to be crimped and let the anode side up. Put it into lower mold core. Rotate the outer ring of the lower mold clockwise to correspond the mark of the thickness. Manually operate the handle up and down, the lower mold rising gradually and pushes into the upper mold. After a soft sound, the battery is crimped. The pressure is about 1,000 kilograms per square centimeter. Seven. Remove the battery. Rotate the pressure relief valve to the right on the operation panel. The pressure will return to 0, and the lower mold will be lowered and retracted. Manually push down the circle in the middle of the mold and take out the sealed battery. 8. Continue operation display. Nine. Finished product display.
Thank you for watching. Need assistance or purchase? You can contact us through the page information. Wish you a happy life.